Hi guys, in Big Data Tools and Techniques, Experiment 4 is all about matrix multiplication using Apache Spark. Let's go into the program. This experiment demonstrates how to perform a matrix multiplication using PySpark RDD transformation. It shows how Spark's distributed data processing capabilities can be applied to a linear algebra operation by representing matrices as a collection of key value pairs and combining them efficiently through a transformation and action. So basically the program starts by importing a spare context. Then we are creating a st- then we are creating a spare matrix the parameters local comma spark context s equal to spark context of local comma pi spark matrix multiplication. Then we are creating a matrix of a cross a and b represented in a RDD resilient distributed data sets. For each matrix is represented as a collection of tuples in a format of row comma column comma value. These RDDs are created by using a parallelize function. Using a parallelize function which distributes the data across Spark cluster for parallel computation. To perform matrix multiplication, each of a matrix A is mapped so that its column index becomes the key using the statement A keyed. So it is a matrix A representation and matrix B representation and mapping with A to B so that we are using a entries dot A keyed. Using this function we are mapping that A keyed equal to entries dot map of lambda entry is to entry of 1 comma entry of 0 comma entry of 2. Likewise for same for map to entries to entries of B, then joining A and B. This program performs a join operation on these two keyed RDDs using a joined dot RDs. This operation pairs elements from both the matrices which where the key values column A and a row of B are equal to the for each pair. The program multiplies the corresponding elements of A and B and maps for the result to a new key representing a position of a row and a column of a resultant matrix. This is done using a transformation. So finally we are collecting and mapping with each other. We are stopping the context. So the mapping values like 0 comma 0 from A, 0 from B, 0 comma 0, 1 comma 1, 0 comma 1 and 1 comma 0. So we are calculating the matrix multiplication for these inserted values and we are finding out the result. Thank you.